The latest wave of DJI leaks has once again been stirred up by Igor Bogdanov, who has given us our clearest look yet at the long-rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4. After an unofficial teaser clip surfaced online, Igor shared a fresh batch of outdoor testing photos that immediately caught the attention of the camera community. These shots look far more detailed and sharper than anything we've seen before, giving us a clear indication that the Pocket 4 is going to be a serious leap forward compared to the Pocket 3. The first thing that stands out is the much larger camera head. It looks heavier and bulkier, confirming earlier suspicions that DJI has switched to a dual-lens system. This new gimbal head design hints at a huge boost in image quality, low-light performance, and creative shooting modes. Even in the short mall testing clips, the two lenses are clearly visible, making the Pocket 4 look far more advanced than anything else in DJI's pocket-sized lineup. Interestingly, while the camera head has grown, the handle looks slimmer and more minimalistic. DJI seems to be carefully balancing power and portability so the Pocket 4 still feels comfortable for on-the-go shooting. One teaser clip even shows the camera being used vertically, clearly signaling that DJI wants to appeal to the TikTok, Reels, and vertical video crowd. With so much of today's content shot vertically, this move could be one of the camera's strongest selling points. Another test scene shows both the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 mounted on the same rig, an obvious attempt by DJI to compare color, stabilization, and rolling shutter performance head-to-head. Even though the Pocket 4 was running early firmware, its display already looked brighter, with better contrast and potentially new color profiles. The interface also seems slightly different from DJI's usual layout, suggesting that this prototype still has experimental software. With leaks emerging rapidly, the timeline is becoming clearer. Earlier whispers suggested a January 2026 release, but because of new FCC wireless restrictions going into effect on December 23rd, insiders now believe DJI might launch earlier, possibly on December 18th. The expected price range is around $699 to $799, which feels reasonable considering the jump in specs. If these leaks hold true, the Osmo Pocket 4 could easily be the biggest evolution the Pocket series has ever seen. But the surprises don't stop there. A new leak has also given us the first real glimpse at the DJI Avata 360 retail box, which appears to be authentic after weeks of AI-generated fakes circulating online. The packaging perfectly matches DJI's usual minimalist gray and white style, convincing many that this leak is legitimate. This is the Fly More Combo Edition, and it highlights one of the biggest upgrades: 3 intelligent flight batteries included in the box, a welcome feature for creators tired of constant recharging. The labeling includes multiple languages, including traditional Chinese, which strongly hints at a global release plan. Based on the leaked box details and confirmed specs, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be a major breakthrough for aerial content creators. It's expected to feature dual 1.3-inch sensors capable of recording native 8K 360-degree footage at 30 frames per second. Users will reportedly be able to switch seamlessly between immersive spherical mode and standard forward-facing FPV shooting, something that no previous Avata model could do. The new Goggles 3 headset will support DJI's OFR transmission system with up to 13 kilometers of range, offering low-latency video and a more comfortable fit with adjustable diopters. The Motion 3 controller returns as well, known for its intuitive gesture-based flying that feels natural even for beginners. Each of the 3 batteries packs 38.67 watt-hours, around 20% more capacity than the Avata 2, allowing for noticeably longer flight times and fewer charging breaks. The combo also includes a charging hub, spare propellers, and a compact carrying case designed to make travel easier. The price listed on the box, 6,899 yuan, about $975, suggests that DJI is aiming to make high-end 360 FPV filming more accessible to serious creators. The drone will support multiple control options, including the Goggles 3, RC Motion 3, FPV controllers, and even the standard RC2. The first sighting of the Avata 360 came back in May when a blurry photo showed what looked like a prototype being tested outdoors. Despite the unclear image, enhanced versions revealed a thinner and more aerodynamic body design compared to the Avata 2. The top section sits lower, nearly flush with the rotors, to minimize the drone's body appearing in 360-degree footage. Its rear section is longer for better balance, and it comes in a light gray color similar to DJI's latest lineup. Early on, the top-mounted 360 lens was missing, leading many to believe DJI was concealing the key feature. But in August, new leaks showed a distinct bump on top, sparking speculation that this was indeed the hidden 360 lens. This revelation sent the drone community into overdrive, especially after the announcement of a rival product, the anti-gravity 360 drone slated for early 2026. DJI isn't known for letting competitors dominate new niches, and this could explain the sudden acceleration of Avata 360 leaks and development. Some insiders believe DJI might even release two models, one built for immersive 360 filming and another focused purely on FPV performance. The rumored performance specs are equally impressive. In FPV mode, the drone could shoot 5K video at 60 frames per second and capture 30 megapixel stills. In full 360 mode, it's said to deliver up to 120 megapixel panoramic photos. To handle that level of data, DJI is reportedly adding 128 gigabytes of internal storage plus microSD expansion. Flight time may also climb to about 25 minutes per charge, a solid improvement for such a powerful system. Beyond visuals, the Avata 360 is expected to include upgraded tracking and safety features, ensuring smooth, stable, and intelligent flight performance. Altogether, these new leaks paint a clear picture of DJI's upcoming strategy, dominate both the handheld and aerial creative markets before the year ends. With the Osmo Pocket for targeting solo creators and vloggers, and the Avata 360 pushing the limits of 360 FPV content, DJI looks ready to redefine portable filmmaking once again.